Hi everybody and welcome to my channel. My name is Roop Sandhu. So today I will be doing a tutorial on this look. So if you guys are interested, then please keep on watching and also be sure that you subscribe to my channel and also click on bell icon. I'll be really thankful to you guys. So let's start. First of all, I'll be taking a primer. This is NYX Studio Perfect primer, and I'm gonna be applying it on my cheek area. And after that, I'll be taking foundation. This is Wet n Wild foundation, and this is the photo focus foundation. I will mention my shade in the description. So I'll be applying it on my face and my neck like that, and after that I'm going to be using a damp beauty blender, and I'm just going to blend the foundation all over my face so that it looks even. And after that I will be taking this concealer again by Wet n Wild, and I'm going to be applying it under my eyes, and I'm also going to be applying it on my eyelids and also in the inner corners. And this is going to be the eyeshadow base. And I'm going to be applying a little bit on the tip of my nose, uh, forehead, center of forehead. And then after that, I'll be taking a darker shade of Wet n Wild Photo Focus Concealer. And I will be using this as a contour uh, for my face, and then I'll be taking the another side of my beauty blender, and I'm going to blend it like that. And after applying this, I will be setting the concealer, and for that I'll be taking this banana powder, and I'm going to apply it under my eyes. This is going to set the concealer and also prevent any fallout from the eyeshadow. And then I'll be taking this nude eyeshadow and I'm going to apply it on my brow bone. And after that I'm going to be taking this brown eyeshadow, and I will be creating a crease line. So I'm just taking a small fluffy brush and I'm applying it on my crease line just like that. And after applying this eyeshadow on my crease line, I take the light nude eyeshadow and I blend out the edges of this eyeshadow. And after that I'm going to be taking this darker brown eyeshadow. It also has a hint of purple in it, so I will be applying it a little below the crease line which I already created. And after that I will be also applying it on the in the outer corners of my eyelids, and also I will be diffusing it. And I will be taking a concealer, the same concealer, and I'll be cutting my crease like that. If you wish, you can do that with a flat brush as well. A flat angled brush or flat round brush will do the same work very easily. And after that I will be just dabbing the outer corners, and then I'll be taking the yellow eyeshadow, and I'll be taking that on a flat brush, and I'm going to be applying it right on the concealer. So I did not set the concealer. If you set the concealer, then the eyeshadow doesn't appear the same way, so you should be applying it directly on the concealer. And after that I'll be taking the brown eyeshadow, and I will be diffusing the yellow eyeshadow and the darker brown eyeshadow like that, so that there is a nice transition. And after that I will be applying the brown eyeshadow on my lower lash line as well. And yeah, after that I will be applying some darker brown eyeshadow on my lower lash line just in the outer third. And I will be also dusting off some eyeshadow fallouts. Yes. And after that I'll be mixing the nude eyeshadow with some a little bit of yellow eyeshadow, and I will be just diffusing the lower lash line uh, just like that. And after that I will be dusting off the banana powder which I applied on the cheek area, and I will be just dusting it off like that. And after that I will be contouring my cheeks with the Wet n Wild Mega Glow Contour palette. And I'm also going to be applying a little on the sides of my nose, and I'm also going to be contouring my forehead because I have a large forehead. So yeah, if you have a larger forehead like me, you can contour your forehead as well. And then I'll be taking blush, again by Wet n Wild. So this blush has some glitter particles in it, so if you do not like that, you can always dust them off and they'll go. After applying the blush, I will be taking this highlighter. This is Ofra Cosmetics Highlighter Rodeo Drive, and I'm going to be applying it on the higher areas of my face, which is cheekbone, my nose, center of my forehead, cheeks, I mean chin and cupid bows. And to do my eyebrows, I will be taking the ABH Dip Brow Pomade. My shade in this is Granite, which is a blackish shade. To coat my lashes, I will be using NYX Worth the Hype Mascara, and I'm going to be coating my upper and lower lashes with this mascara. You can also brush this mascara through your eyebrows to set them even better. So yeah, after coating my lashes, I'll be doing my lips, and I will be taking this lip liner by Wet n Wild, and I'm just going to create an outline of my lips. So I like to take my lips a little, the outline, I just take it a little more outer to make my lips look a little bigger. And after that, I'll be taking this lipstick by NYX Lip Lingerie. This shade is called Push Up. This formula is not a very favorite formula of mine. So after that, I'll be applying these false lashes, and with that, this look is complete. I really hope that you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Please leave your comments down below. I would love to read them, and if you have any request, you can let me know. If any color combination you want to see, please let me know. Thank you so much for watching.